Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been forever. You guys, I've been bugging my mom all day about recording this video. I wanted to record yesterday, but I didn't have time because I was working. Okay, so today I'm going to be using so if you guys know me, obviously, you know I like playing with colors. I don't like using, like, obviously I use neutral colors when I go out, but when I play I like to use these. So yeah, I'm freaking excited. Let's do this. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer in vanilla. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with the Laura Mercier powder. I haven't used this in forever, so let's see if I still like it, because I used to love it. All right, now the exciting part. So I already have a look in mind. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it to come out, because it's gonna be my first time using it. I don't know how much of the colors I should use and everything. I've heard you have to be really careful, so let's hope. So for the first color, I am gonna be going in Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm gonna be using this Morphe R35 brush. I'm gonna go in with the color 518. This is such a nice color. All right, so next I am gonna be going in with the color Skip. So next sorry, I'm gonna be going in with this purple. You know what? F the names. I'm gonna be going in with this purple right here. Okay, so I don't know if it's because I'm barely like tapping it, but I feel like this one's a little, it's really easy to blend. I'm just gonna go in with the pink again. So next I am gonna be going in with the darker purple, just to like intensify it a little more, you know. Barely put that in there. Okay, I'm gonna cut my crease. I was very excited to film this video, and now that I'm doing it, it's like, what do I do? I didn't practice this look at all. I really wanted to like show you guys everything. All right, so it's not the palette, it's me. I don't like how I cut my crease. I really don't. Oh my god, so this is the exciting part. Next, I'm gonna be going in with this baby, right? No, not that one. This one right here. My mom gets annoyed when I do that when I record, honestly. I don't know why I do it when I record. I think it's just like I get a little nervous sometimes, but you know, we all been there. Wow, this color is really pretty. Oh my god, I got an idea right now, and I think it's gonna look so pretty. Y'all wait and see. Hold on. So I really like this so far. The color was really easy to put on. I didn't have to like struggle, because there's some palettes that when I use the shimmer it like falls off, or it just doesn't stick to the lid, and this one was really good. All right, I'm gonna go in again with the pink just a little bit, just to try to get it a little more in there. It's me, it's not the palette, trust me. I'm just really scared to accidentally put more than what I need, because this is really pigmented, like stupid pigmented. Next, I'm gonna go in with that purple, those two purples. I'm gonna mix them in, blend it together. Am I the only one that has the problem? Do you see this right here? It's the concealer. Like, it has nothing to do with the colors of the palette. Do you guys see that? Sorry, I'm like whispering. I'm gonna just use a little black, because this isn't not working. I don't know what's going on. It's the concealer, because the eyeshadows are blending good. It's just a stupid ass concealer. I did not do that right. Goodness, I knew this was gonna happen. It's not first impressions if I freaking redo it. Should I just go on with the video? I wanna cry.
Yeah, you could just leave it up to that point and then take it off. And then continue with just keep the part that you already filmed.
And then...
Yeah, and then cuando vayas a ponerte, like the last part.
So they could actually see that.
Guys, guess what? So I'm gonna take it all off and redo it because you guys saw the eyeshadows blend perfectly fine, but it's me, I'm stupid. I did not bring the concealer all the way down, so now I can't blend it. It looks really patchy, as you could see. It's still first impressions, you know, because you guys saw me do everything. Hey guys, so it looks brand new. Obviously, as you saw, I messed up. The palette is so good, honestly. This time I deepened the color a little more because, as my mom said, I was being a little chicken shit. But if you know Walk to Remember, you know that. But yeah, so I decided to change it a little bit. I decided to add the pink right here and the orange right there. Deepen up the purple a little bit, you know, that. And I think right now I'm going to add a little yellow into it just to like make it a little more colorful. So I'm gonna cut my crease again. I don't know if you guys want to see this part, but I'm gonna add the same color on my eyelid. Okay guys, I'm back to continue this look, but first I'm gonna do my foundation and all that. Should I? Okay, so I'm gonna do my foundation real quick. I'm gonna be, to prime my face, I'm gonna be using the YSL. My mom took it away from me because I was always using it because it's so bomb. The YSL primer. You're like, that's all you use. Damn right. Oh, I use my Bare Minerals. Bare Minerals is so super slept on because this foundation is like bomb. I recommend this foundation though for people who have oily skin. Definitely. My skin does not get oily at all when I wear this foundation. It stays on really good for 12 hours too. It looks too light for me. You guys see it blending in. I hope you guys appreciate this video because I went totally out of my comfort zone just for my 7 viewers. Yeah, my dad and my mom rewatching my video like 10 times. Lo que pasó, pasó. I don't know why a song got stuck in my head right now. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes with the Born This Way and using vanilla again. I think this color is too dark though, or too yellow. I don't know. It's not my color.
It's kind of orange.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna set my under eye with Laura Mercier. Now it's time to stuff my face. I have not used this freaking powder in forever, dude. I'm really not picky with my makeup. I feel like, I don't know, I don't really see the difference in things. Okay, now I'm gonna continue my eyeshadow. Ooh, what color should I use? This is a scary part because I want to use different colors on the bottom. Alright, so next I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna go with this blue color right here. I don't know what it's called. I'm too lazy to get the name of the colors. I have a little bit of fallout. It's my fault for not putting translucent powder under, so I'm about to do that right now before it gets any worse than it already is getting. All right, next I'm gonna be going in with this like lime green color. All right, next I'm just gonna blend these two in right here so it doesn't like look awkward or anything. This is the most colors I've ever done. So next I'm gonna be going in with this color here. Now I'm gonna bronze my face, you know, move on with that. I'm gonna use the butter bronzer and this Luxie 508 dual fiber. You can't even see it. Instead, I'm gonna use this Jessie's Girl palette and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Guys, I feel like this is the most quiet I've been in a video. That's because I was really concentrated. Like, I usually talk a lot more. I've watched my other videos and I'm just like, shut up, dude. I look like a freaking peacock. I wanna see your peacock. Okay, next for blush. You know what? I didn't get a... I'm gonna be using this palette right here. I've never used it, so another first impression Tarte blush. I'm gonna use the color Laugh. Now I'm gonna highlight my face with my favorite highlighter ever, the Amrezi one. I have not used any other highlight since I started using this one. So bomb. Guys, so yeah, I feel like that wasn't the right color. I thought it was gonna be brighter. I wish he added like a sparkly white. I'm gonna try to mix the blue that I use with this like champagne-ish color. Let's see how it comes out. Wow, that looks way better. I feel like I don't feel so uncomfortable with the look anymore. I feel like I needed that. Oh. Hey guys, I just put some lashes on. Now I'm gonna do my lip. I'm gonna use this lip liner by Laura Geller in the color Nude. I never use lip liner, so please do not judge. And next, I'm gonna use this lip gloss by Urban Decay in the color Naked.
What the hell?
Yeah. Alright guys, Mila, for a little bit, just for a little bit. I want to show you guys what my niece is doing. The last time I showed you, you were tiny. You were tiny. You were tiny. Mila, it feels good for her teeth, huh? Mila, mira, mira. All right, girl, go. Yeah, that's it for this look. I really like how it turned out. Overall, this palette is worth your coins, definitely. Everything just happened. I'm gonna continue because I was really interrupted. Yeah, everything. I love the colors. It blends perfectly fine. No, I had a little mess up, but it wasn't the palette's fault. It was all totally me. I had so much fun doing this look. I know I was quiet, more quiet than the usual, but that's because I was like really concentrated because I didn't want to fuck up, because I've heard that this palette is like really very pigmented, and I didn't want, knowing me, like the way I blend sometimes, it just gets everywhere, and I didn't want that to happen this time. But yeah, I feel like being on camera again, it just feels really good. The entire day I was begging my mom like, Mom, I want to record with a palette. I have never been so freaking excited to use a palette in my entire life. Like I was trying to do my essay earlier and all I could think about was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do with my eyeshadow? Yeah. I hope you guys like this look. I really liked it. Totally out of my comfort zone, like completely. I've never used so many colors on my eyes. I'm definitely gonna be doing more looks with this palette, like for sure, because you could do an endless amount of looks, honestly, and I'm planning on doing it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked to have me back because I love being back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button below. Yeah, Mila, tell them. Comment if I should do more videos. Tell me what colors to use with the palette. Yeah. Bye guys. Love you.